Meet Sarah 3 months ago. She was drowning in bills, stress, and sleepless nights today. She's on track to save $5,000 this year. How? She stopped guessing with her money and started controlling it. In 2025, saving money isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. Let's make it happen. Here's the hard truth. Most people fail at saving because they don't have a plan. They track their spending for a week, get overwhelmed, and give up. Sound familiar? But here's the good news. You don't need a perfect plan, you just need to start. Step 1. Track every dollar. Use a free app like Mint or YNAB to see where your money's going. You'll be shocked at how much those little expenses add up. Step 2. Cut the fat. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home, and shop with a list. These small changes can save you hundreds every month. But here's the kicker. There's one expense most people overlook that's draining their wallet. Stick around, I'll reveal it in just a minute. Step 3. Negotiate your bills. Call your providers and ask for a better rate. Most people don't even try, but you could save hundreds a year just by asking. Step 4. Make saving automatic. Set up a direct transfer from your checking to your savings account every payday. Even $20 a week adds up to over $1,000 a year. Your savings account will thank you, and so will your future self. Step 5. Boost your income. Sell stuff you don't need, start a side hustle, or take surveys. Every extra dollar you earn is a step closer to financial freedom. Start today and watch your savings grow faster than you ever thought possible. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your finances, save money fast, and start living the life you deserve. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you'll do to save money this month? Remember, your future self will thank you. Let's make 2025 your most financially successful year yet.